Everybody's looking for a little peace these days. Could lavender oil be your answer? Lavender essential oil is renowned for its soothing properties. But how exactly do you use it for anxiety relief? Let's break it down. First, grab a diffuser. Add a few drops of lavender oil and let the calming aroma fill your space. Deep breaths in and out. Feel that stress melt away. No diffuser, no problem. You can also create a diluted solution. Just mix a few drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba. Apply gently to your wrists and temples. Instant relaxation, anytime, anywhere. Remember, always dilute essential oils before applying to your skin. And if you're pregnant or nursing, consult a healthcare provider first. Lavender oil isn't just a trend, it's a time-honored remedy. Embrace the natural path to a calmer, more relaxed you. Give it a try tonight and feel the difference. Feeling better already? Share your lavender love with friends who might need it too. Stay calm, stay natural.